In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Word document in Microsoft Word, whether you need a hard copy for work, school, or personal use. Printing your document is a straightforward process that I'll walk you through step by step today. Begin by opening the Microsoft Word document that you want to print. Once your document is open and ready, head over to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this and a new menu will appear on the left side of your screen. From this menu, select the Print option. This will take you to the Print pane. Here, you'll see a preview of your document on the right-hand side, along with various print settings on the left. The first option you'll come across is the Printer section. Click on the drop-down menu here. This is where you can select the printer you'd like to use for printing your document. If you need a digital version instead of a physical one, you also have the option to print to PDF. This can be particularly useful if you need to send the document electronically in a consistent format. Next, let's look at the copies section. In this field, you can specify exactly how many copies of the document you need. Simply type the number of copies you require, and Microsoft Word will take care of the rest. Moving along, you'll see the settings section. By default, it's set to print all pages, meaning every page of your document will be printed. However, if you only need certain pages, you can change this setting. You can choose to print current page, which will only print the page where your cursor is currently located within the document. Alternatively, you can enter specific page numbers or ranges if you need to print particular sections of your document. This is especially handy when dealing with large documents and you want to conserve paper and toner. Now, let's talk about the print sides option. This feature is set to print one-sided by default, meaning each page of your document will print on one side of the paper. If your printer supports duplex printing, which is printing on both sides of the paper, you can easily change this to print on both sides. Duplex printing is a great way to save paper and reduce the thickness of your printed document. Once you've gone through all these settings and ensured everything is set according to your preferences, you're ready for the final step. Click on the large print button located at the top of the print pane. Your document will begin printing immediately, or in the case of a PDF, it'll save to the location you specify. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through the print process in Microsoft Word, turning your digital document into a physical copy. Thank you for watching and happy printing.